Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying which sense of rather you need: preference, degree, or correction. Once decided, choose placement before an adjective for intensity, after an auxiliary for contrast, or before a verb to express preference. Pronounce it clearly. Stress changes meaning. Practice with 3 short examples aloud. Make sure to note register. Formal sentences use rather sparingly. Casual speech allows more flexibility. Now speak the first example and listen for natural stress and rhythm before moving to more complex structures. Once done with basic placement, practice combining rather with auxiliaries and connectors. Use I would rather plus verb to show preference. Switch to rather plus adjective for intensity. Listen as the adjective carries the weight. For contrast, use rather than followed by a noun or verb phrase and make sure the structure balances both options. Try negative forms and contractions to hear subtle shifts. Repeat sentences with varied stress to feel the difference between preference and soft correction. Then keep examples handy for reference. To finish, refine tone and placement so your meaning is clear. Once you can choose preference or intensity reliably, practice natural pacing and reduce overuse. Make sure to avoid awkward doubles. Don't say rather than but when it produces redundancy. If listeners seem confused, reposition rather closer to the word it modifies or repeat the sentence with different stress. One troubleshooting tip: if your sentence sounds odd, swap rather for prefer or slightly rephrase. This reveals whether the issue is grammar or emphasis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.